Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel voidloopRobotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to data log into Google Sheet a BMP280 sensors value like temperature and environment pressure. Let us start. Please make sure have you subscribed my channel or not, and don't forget to press bell icon. I have already created a schematic diagram. This is ESP32 board and this is BMP280 module which provides environment pressure and temperature. This is OLED display, size is 128 x 64 pixel. I will print temperature and environment pressure value on the display. Both module of serial clock pin is connected to GPIO21 and both module of serial data pin is connected to GPIO22 of ESP32 board. Now we will go to IFTTT website to create an API keys and etc. I will search here IFTTT and click on create. First click on plus button and search here webhooks. Receive a web request, click on this. Create here event name, so BMP280. Create trigger, click on this plus and search here Google Sheets. Head row to spreadsheet. I have two value, temperature and pressure, so I will remove this. Okay, create action. Finish. Click on this webhooks icon. Go to documentation. Here I will test it is working or not. I will type here BMP280 event name. I will put here a random value 33 and here is 80. I will test it. Event has been triggered. Now I will open my drive. Here this is IFTTT and maker webhooks. Here you can see here is BMP280 file folder. This is Google Sheet. Yeah, you can see here is printed 33 and 80. I will copy this API key. Copy. Now we will go to Arduino programming. Here I am using IFTTT webhooks library. This is wire library for I2C protocol. This is graphical library. This is for SST1306 OLED display library. This is for BMP280 library. Here is screen width is 128, height is 64, reset pin is OLED reset pin is -1. This is display object. Here I will type my network SSID name is void loop and password here I will paste API key and I will type here event name is BMP280. This is BMP object. Here is temperature and pressure variable. This is LCD begin function. This is I2C address of LCD. Here is IP address printing on OLED. Here temperature and pressure will store on temperature variable and pressure will store on pressure variable. Here everything will printed on serial monitor, and here temperature and pressure will be printed on OLED display. This is IFTTT webhooks request. Here is API key and event name as an argument in this function, and it will trigger by passing argument temperature and pressure. So temperature and pressure value will be sent to Google Sheet, that will be stored in Google Sheet. I will connect here board. Here is board is connected, and go to port number is 3. Okay, now I will compile and upload, and I will press boot button. Compiling done. Here you can see, here is printed temperature and pressure. Temperature is 33 degrees centigrade and pressure is 100,558 Pascal. I will again restart the board. Okay, now I will go to Google Sheet. You can see here is 33 degrees centigrade and here is 100,558 Pascal. Here is not a printing unit, so I will do a little change in webhooks, so it will print the unit also. Here I will type centigrade and here PA, save. I will restart the board. I will check again. Wow, I think okay. go to setting. Oh, I will type this C inside value 1, so I will print the degree also. So for degree it is star centigrade. Save. I will go to C and I will again restart the board. I will reload this. Yeah, you can see here is 33 degrees centigrade and here is 100552 Pascal pressure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.